Meaning of devastatingly.
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 Devastatingly. Devastatingly is an adverb used to describe something that causes severe damage, destruction, or harm. It implies a level of impact that is overwhelming and catastrophic. For example, when used to describe the effect of a natural disaster, such as a hurricane or earthquake, devastatingly would suggest widespread destruction, loss of life and property, and long-term effects on the affected area. In a personal context, devastatingly might describe the emotional impact of a significant loss, such as the death of a loved one or the end of a romantic relationship, which can cause profound and long-lasting distress.